Renee Saunders is the owner of Ren's Bake and Bites, but today she's here to show us that she's versatile like that. She can make no-bake desserts as well. Morning, Renee. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. Why no-bake?
Well, it's easy to make if you don't have an oven or if you just want to make something quick. If you're having a last-minute party or just a get-together, you can put it together in about 5 minutes.
All right, so what are we making this morning that we don't have to bake?
We're making strawberry icebox cake.
All right, so let's walk through the ingredients. Let's
All
get
right,
to
so
making.
we have whipped cream, which is heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla. And you mix it together until it becomes a soft peak.
Meaning you're making the whipped cream from scratch.
Or if you want to buy the whipped cream.
Squeeze it out of the can.
Yes, or if you want to buy the whipped cream, you can.
All right, my love.
We have strawberries and it's really graham crackers, but because we don't have that out here, I use Social Club biscuits.
All right, have you pre-prepared the strawberries? They look like you've soaked them or something. What have you done with them?
It's actually in strawberry juice, but it's fine if it adds a little more flavor.
All right, cool. So what do we do with all the ingredients?
All right, so I'm going to start by pouring out the whipped cream.
Okay.
You're just going to put a little bit so that when the crackers go on, it's not slipping all over the place.
All right, and it doesn't get too soggy.
Yeah. Well, it's going to get a little soggy because it's not cake and it has to stay in the fridge.
Okay. So you just kind of put a little bit to coat the bottom of it.
Right. And you put your graham crackers.
You layer it on.
Or whatever biscuit you can find.
Or whatever biscuit you can find. Does it have to have a thin texture?
Yes,
you know, some of them are kind of harder than others, so preferably a thin texture. All right.
Then you put another layer of whipped cream. Oops. On this layer, you put a little more.
No, I'm gonna borrow this for a second because Amawali's not here. So I'm gonna hit to Marvin because I want them to see what it looks like. There you go. So there's whipped cream at the bottom, the layer of biscuit, and then there's the whipped cream on top. Cool. I gone now. Sure. So we've done. Do you need to cover it all up?
Yes, perfect.
Okay.
Then the strawberries. You can put any amount you like. If you really love strawberries, you can put a lot or just a little. And then another layer of crackers.
And then another layer of crackers.
Right.
Okay. So it's whipped cream, crackers, whipped cream, strawberries, crackers again.
Yes, and then you just keep repeating the layers.
What?
Until...
So you're gonna put whipped cream again,
right.
More strawberry.
More strawberry.
And what's the final layer going to be? Just the whipped cream and strawberry?
Right.
Because when you run out of crackers, then you're done.
Yes.
All right, so there is the recipe on the screen for strawberry icebox cake. 2 cups of heavy cream, half a cup of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, a pound of strawberries sliced, 1.5 packs of graham crackers or any crackers as long as it's not too tough, and then you should have it. I wanted this one's strawberry, Renee, but what if I wanted to use something else? Is there any other type of fruit that I could use to do it?
Yes, you can use cherries. You can use blueberries. It's your preference. You can use chocolate.
I feel like I would have put jackfruit. I don't know if it would have worked, but I love jackfruit, so I think I would have put it on it. Yeah, or probably some banana. All right, so and then once you finish that, Renee, you're gonna put it in the fridge?
Yes, for about 4 hours or as long as you want.
Okay, so bottom or the top, not freezer?
No, not freezer, chill in the bottom.
All right, and this is what it's gonna look like at the end of it?
Right.
All right, awesome. Now, yeah, so that's what it's gonna look like when it's done.
It's a little runny now because it's out of the
It's
fridge.
out of the fridge, right.
So it's not so pretty.
That's all right, because we've seen the finished product in the smaller plate, so we know what it's going to look like. Talk to me about the truffles now, Renz. Renz?
Okay, so the truffles is Oreo truffles actually. It's Oreos crushed up into tiny crumbs mixed with cream cheese and put it in the fridge for a little. Take it out so that when the chocolate is coated, it's not.
So this is also no bake?
Yes.
Also, come again? You crush the cookies with cream cheese?
Yes.
Form the
balls, 4-inch balls. Put it in the freezer for like 10 minutes.
and then you coat it with the chocolate.
And then you melt the chocolate. I put oil in the chocolate to help it go over the balls easy. And then you sprinkle crumbs on top and you keep it in the fridge until you're ready to serve.
Get out. Renee, you're going with things here. And you don't turn on the stove one time.
Nope.
All right, so you are where? Where do I find Ren's Bacon Bites?
I am located at home. I operate from home.
Operate from home.
But I have locations that I supply to.
Okay.
I supply to Ruby's Gas Station, Ligani and Manor Park, and also Sharmat Graphics on Constance Spring Road, and also Northside Pharmacy in New Kingston in the main Sagicor building.
Awesome. Can we get the menu back up, Prince? For the truffles, there you go. 8 ounces of brick cream cheese softened, 36 Oreo cookies finely crushed and divided, and 16 ounces of semi-sweet baking chocolate melted. So this morning, 2 wonderful no-bake desserts for you. I'd say quick and easy. You don't have to turn on the stove one time. And it's something that you can get the kids involved in. Say that again, Kadeem. Oh, okay. There you go. Yeah, and I was saying it's something that the whole family can get involved in, you know? You can get the kids, have the kids crush the Oreos, have the husband go on with the cream, and you put them all together. Or, you know, mom, sisters, everybody. It's a nice family thing to do. It's always great to come together in the kitchen and whip some of these things up. Thank you so much, Renee, from Ren's Bake and Bites, whipping up 2 wonderful desserts for us this morning. I hope you got the recipes and you can try them out at home. So it's a case of agree or disagree on certain relationship cliches. That's going to happen when we return from this break while I eat off the old tray of